Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Celeb, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that could possibly Ethereum ETF trading starting already in June. The second thing I would like to talk about is MasterCard's crypto credentials P2P pilot program goes live, and what does it mean exactly? Then we have PayPal's stablecoin on Solana. And we have also Bitcoin moving now sideways. Actually, Bitcoin is already for 42 days in boredom zone. Let's talk about that as well. Also, let's talk about celebrity tokens, because most of them are really rug pulls. Let's look at the history a little bit. So you should be careful when you're talking about when you're thinking about investing in them. And also we have the date for the merge for Fetch AI, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol. So guys, all this in today's episodes. It's a jam-packed episode, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, let's look at the prices for start. We can see Bitcoin is let me refresh this page just in case. Well, okay, so it's a little bit up 0.6%, 68,016 US dollar. Ethereum 1% down in the last 24 hours, 3,753 US dollar. The winner of the day, Notcoin, also going up just like before, 124% in 7 days, not bad. Then we have Ordi 12% up, and WorldCoin is up almost 6%. Among the losers, well, we have Bong 14% down, Dogwit had 10% down, Flockin 10% down. So the memes are going down. We had little main hype again, not the big one. And now there is some correction, obviously. When we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, well, pretty much boring, right? We can see this sideways movements. I'm going to talk about this where Bitcoin is now in this video a bit later. But now let's talk about the first topic. And the first topic is all about Ethereum and the possibility that the Ethereum spot ETF trading could start already in June. Well, when I share here the screen, you can see that Ethereum ETF June launch is possible as a BlackRock FIS S1. So BlackRock basically updated its form S1 for its spot Ethereum ETF. And therefore, the analysts are saying that this is definitely a good sign that BlackRock, BlackRock also, but the SEC working on the ETF launch. And well, the first one, which is very important, was the approval of the 19B4 filling. And now the S1, which is now updated by BlackRock, that should be approved. And after the trading could start, basically. And some experts saying this can already happen, actually, end of June, if we continue like this. But we also have here Eric Balchuna saying around 4th of July. But anyway, end of June, beginning of July, doesn't matter. If this is really happening, we're talking about weeks, and this is really not a long time. So now we're waiting for the S1 approvals, and after that, the trading can start, maybe already next month, end of next month. And also, look at this. Katie Wood says that the Ether ETF filling were approved because crypto is an election issue. So we see what's happening here between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. And Donald Trump really started to push the crypto thing. And now Biden is getting weaker and weaker in a way that they're not getting against that much against crypto than before. So it's an interesting twist what's happening right now. But yes, and when we're talking about the Bitcoin spot ETFs, so first I talked about now about Ethereum, the possibility of the approval of it. But well, Bitcoin ETF just doing great. Look at 11 straight days of inflow. We're talking about more than 30,000 Bitcoin in these 11 days. And we shouldn't forget that 450 Bitcoin getting into the system per day. And this is how much they, just them, the US Bitcoin ETF issuers accumulated in 11 days. And look at this. We have BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF becomes the fastest ETF to reach 20 billion in asset. And I think this is a big number. It was the fastest to reach 10, but now it's the fastest to reach 20. So it's performing extremely well. So this is definitely positive for crypto. Right. Now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is all about MasterCard's crypto credentials P2P pilot program, which is actually live. So here we have MasterCard's crypto credential P2P pilot program, which goes live. And well, let me share here the screen. So basically, what I'm here talking about, it's you know, this new thing for MasterCard, which actually makes users' life easier. So what do I mean? I mean that instead of writing, you know, really a long string of numbers and letters, you know, what is a traditional wallet address, it will be possible, you know, now the pilot program is on, that basically after you have the one who should receive the transaction, then the system will do it checking the blockchain and checking the address. So you don't have to type in this very, very long address. With this making hopefully less mistakes, you just really should you know, look for the user, and the system will do the double checking. So this is what MasterCard is now doing. It's definitely a good one. Right, let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is all about PayPal's new stablecoin is right now on Solana blockchain. Well, so we do know that, you know, PayPal's stablecoin, PYUSD, was originally on Ethereum, but now it's on Solana, and actually is confident. It makes possible confidential transfers, which will allow merchants to provide confidentiality for transactions amounts to their consumers, while maintaining visibility for regulatory purpose. So actually, this is also an interesting new feature. Plus, the bonus is that it's not just available from now on Ethereum blockchain, but also officially on Solana. Right, okay, let's move on. I have many news for today. Now let's talk about Bitcoin's 42 days boredom zone. Well, we can see that Bitcoin is kind of moving sideways here for this 42 days. We are in the zone between 58,253 and 71,443. And, you know, with this, we can see that the volume is low, the volatility is low, and now basically the traders are waiting what's going to happen. And you cannot see it for sure in which direction Bitcoin price is going to break out. Some here in this article arguing that Bitcoin can break down from here another 20% before it goes up, and some also saying that, yeah, the next move is going to be upwards. So what you can do now is basically kind of wait, because you don't know what's going to happen. If you think back, what was back in 2020, in the year of the previous halving, then if you remember, during the summer, Bitcoin kind of behaved like a stable coin. And well, not too much happened. But what happened in autumn? Bitcoin went up just like crazy and hit a new all-time high in December in 2020. So this can also happen now. Now we just have to really wait and chill. If you haven't done your accumulation, what you aimed for to get your starter positions, then you basically just wait, and we're going to see what's happening. A lot of bullish things are coming for this year. You know, it could be rate cuts, it could be the election, and so on and so forth. So things looking promising. We don't know the future for sure, so there always could be black swan events, something happening different. Okay, that's in the package, but it's likely to have a great year. But now, so far, sideways movements for a while. Okay, and next thing I would like to talk about is watch out if you, be careful, put it this way, if you're interested into celebrity coins. Why? I show you the statistics and it looks pretty bad. You know, so many altcoins are coming out, so many meme coins are coming out, and sometimes when celebrities bringing out some tokens, you know, people believe that, wow, they should have a major, big, fan base. And actually, because of the celebrity, they trust that token. They say, okay, it's like he's or she's behind it, and then this is something cool, and I support this celebrity anyway because I'm a big fan, and so on and so forth. And you would like to get into these, but look at this here. Here we have a lot of coins. You name them really. So we have here Jason Derulo, we have Floyd Mayweather, Chris Brown, Kim Kardashian, and so on and so forth. And look at them, how bad they performed. So many of them are simply rug pulls, really a lot of rug pulls, and then the others are dead. So you should think twice. I'm not saying that there cannot be any celebrity coins which could do well, but its danger factor, it's pretty high, put it this way. Look at these here and look at these performance. This is extremely bad, to be honest with you. Right. Okay, and finally, I do remember that many of you asked me that what's happening here with the ASI token, the merge of the 3 AI tokens, because it's supposed to happening around 24th of May, but now we have the new official date. Well, and the new date. So we have the 3 protocols, Fetch AI, Single Ethernet, and Ocean Protocol. And now it looks like that the merge date is going to be on the 13th of June. As of 11th of June, FET will be rebranded as ASI with a total supply of 2.6 billion tokens. Token holders can begin swapping their FET for the new ASI token at a 1-to-1 ratio. Please be very careful. I'm pretty sure that there will be scams around it. People would like to scam you. You should send it here and then you receive the ASI token. Wait, okay? Sorry, my nose is itching. So basically, wait. If you're not doing it on the first day, you do it a week later, nothing going to happen. The ratio is fixed, so you shouldn't really worry about it. And the merge is going to happen on the 13th. So don't rush. Make sure that you're doing it on the right place if you have to, swap it, because there could be scams. Be aware of it, okay? And yeah, guys, that's it for today. And next week on Sunday, on Sunday, I'm flying to Georgia to Binance campus, and I'm going to spend there a couple of days. So I might do some video from there, but definitely I will be back to the office next Thursday. That's the 6th of June. So I'm not sure how I can upload here videos because I'm going to travel, going to be away. But after I'm back on track, and maybe I can do some videos from the campus, which could be actually interesting for you guys. Okay, that's it. And don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button. And yeah, see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.